Hello everybody and welcome back for our critical vocabulary for day 2 of this week. So let us go ahead and get started. So yesterday we already went over auction, drifting, and damp. Now our next word for today is spare. Now I'd like y'all to sit back and think what spare might mean. So spare, something you can spare is something extra that you have and that you don't really need. An example of this used in a sentence is, Brianna had a strip of paper to spare, so she gave it to Max. So Max needed a piece of paper, he was all out, and since Brianna wasn't using this one, she spared it and gave it to her friend. Our next word is verses. Now, what might verses mean? I'd like y'all to sit back and think for a second. Verses. The verses of a song are the different sections that usually change throughout the song. An example used in a sentence is, we had to memorize all the verses of the song for the music competition. So they're the different lines and lyrics and words that you hear in a song on the radio or any other time. Next, we have chorus. Now, based on the picture, what do you think chorus means? Chorus. The chorus of a song is the part that is repeated after each verse. An example used in a sentence is, during choir practice, our instructor asked us to sing the chorus several times. And our last word of the day is brimming. What might brimming mean? Sit and think about it for a moment. Brimming. If something is brimming, it is full and about to overflow. My mom likes to relax with a cup that is brimming with hot coffee, meaning that the coffee is to the very edge and the very tip of the top of the cup and is about to overflow. Now these have been our new words for our critical vocabulary this week. I would like y'all to take time and go back and review these words, as well as the ones we looked over yesterday as well, to practice for our quiz that we will be having on Friday. So thank you for listening and have a good rest of your day, guys. Bye!